Assalamu alaikum ma'am. Welcome to our presentation. I am Hana Rahman. My ID is 1511155078 CSC 40 batch and my teammate is Mritika Shamade. Her ID is 163115025 CSC 40 batch. Today we are going to introduce you to our project 300. Our project name is Restaurant Management System. It is all about to a restaurant's customers and food management process. This project main goal is to create such a restaurant management system which will save time of both customers and restaurant management team. On the other hand, it will help to run business with much more efficiently than past. In our current situation, we face few troubles like misunderstanding while we order food, and it is very time consuming. To avoid these types of problems, we need this system. According to our project goal, our project has thus features. There is two sections, admin panel and user panel. User can see the food item and order food. Admin can add food category, inactive and update. This is a data flow structure diagram of this system section. Dashboard have three sections: category, product and manage order. Category have two sections: add category, manage category. Product have two sections: add product, manage product. This project is a web-based project. To build this system, we use HTML, CSS, Bootstrap and JavaScript for front-end and Laravel and MySQL for back-end. Advantage of this system is easy to use and food can be ordered at home and easily select which foods have to prepare. This project is very much helpful and profitable for a restaurant management authority. Thank you for listening us. Now we are running our project. This is the admin login page. There is two fields, email and password. To enter the admin panel, we have to log in with email and password. This is the admin panel. In dashboard, there is three sections: category, product and manage order. Category have also two sections: add category and manage category. This is add category form. Now we write the category name. Select the picture of Balti dish. The other part is manage category. This is the manage category form. There is ID, name, description, image, status and action. This is the edit option. We can edit food category, name, image. Update. This is the action option. We can inactive this category if we don't need. We didn't keep delete option there because if we delete one category once, it will be very difficult for restore again. Product option has also two parts. Add product and manage product. This is product add form. Now we select category. Now we write the prepare time, 40 minutes, delivery time 60 minutes, product price, now we select the picture. This is the manage order form. There is product serial number, product name, product image, product price, delivery time, prepare time, status and action. This is the edit option. We can edit food, product name, image, prepare time, delivery time. This is the action option. We can inactive this product if we don't need. We didn't keep delete option there because if we delete one category once, it will be very difficult for restore again. So we make there a active or inactive option so that we can manage product easily. Now the next part will say my teammate Mritika.
Adab ma'am, I am Ritika Shamade. I am going to describing the next part of our project. This is the user panel and home page of our project, Restaurant Management System. There is some categories of food like biryani items, dessert, curry, fish dishes, etc. And also have some different kinds of food items like Asian special biryani, chicken biryani, Ambur mutton biryani, etc. under the categories. When customer click add to cart, there will show these food items image and price. Customer can select the quantity of foods and get to know the total amount of food. Then add to cart and then click confirm order. Then he can make order by filling his information like name, email and phone. and click Confirm Order. Now we go to the dashboard in Admin panel to manage order. Firstly, we have to fill these fields, email and password. This is the dashboard and this is the manage order option. There is serial number, customer number, phone number, status and action. Here there is added a new order. Now it is in pending status. When we delivered the food, this will show delivered. In action, we go to this option to see order details. Here this items picture with name, quantity and subtotal price. After delivery completed, here have to click done. And this status is showing delivered. Then we can remove this completed order from list. This is the logout option. We can log out from this site. Now again we go to the user panel. Previously we have seen the home and categories option. Now we see the about section. This is our about section. By going through this, a customer can get an overview or idea about our restaurant. This is the contact section. If a customer wants to contact with the authority of restaurant, he can do this by filling this field with name, email, subject and message about what he wants to let us know. That's our all working procedure of this project, which is presented by my teammate and me. Thank you for listening us.